If you are trying to grow your business, you are in the right place. Hi, business owners and brand builders. I am Piash. I am a digital marketer from Asia. Over the last few years, I have helped e-commerce and service brands grow using Facebook, Instagram, Meta, TikTok, and Google Ads. I don't just run ads. I understand sales, buyer psychology, and how people make decisions. That's why I focus on turning traffic into real customers. I handle everything end to end: campaign setup, ad creative, targeting, messaging automation, and performance analysis, so that you can focus on your business while I focus on the growth. My clients love working with me because I take ownership. I study your product, understand your market, and build a customized plan for your business, not copy paste. So, if you are looking for someone who understands sales and ads and someone who can help you grow the right way, I am here to help. Click the Order Now button. Let's start growing your business together.